Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping back. Real quick, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're going to get into should you buy or should you sell Shiba Inu right now? That is a big question. We are seeing a correction. We're going to talk about that as well in this video. Real quick, just want to thank everybody out there for the support. A lot of new people coming to the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You're going to want to stay with us for a long time. Also, we do have a Patreon that is growing very quickly. And thanks to two people last night on the live stream, Everto and Daniel, fantastic job. They really showcased what we're doing behind the scenes, behind YouTube, over at our Patreon page. This link is down in the description. Now, I'm going to talk at you here for a little bit. We are coming off of this 2-3 level, by the way. We have some nice support here. We're going to zoom into this chart here, and you could see it. We did hit this same stretch earlier, okay, and we bounced straight off it. Right now, we're working our way back up right now. So here's the thing, first and foremost, before I get into some different scenarios with buy and sell. We were up over 300% in the past 72 hours. There is going to be some type of correction. It is just natural. In fact, I would argue that we want to see some type of correction, because if things just continue to go parabolic, that means it's going to come crashing down just as hard. Now, we had a nice steady grow over the past couple days, a couple parabolic moves within there. We're seeing that little bit of a correction here in the overall market. I took a look at Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We are in extreme greed right now, so expect a pullback in the entire market. That is what we're seeing right now with SHIB. That being said, let's get into the question. Should you buy or should you sell? Here's the thing. If you're a new investor, I would argue this is a pretty good time to buy. Now, let's say you have $1,000 on the sidelines. It doesn't mean get into all of it right now. Throw all $1,000 into SHIB right now. Maybe you throw $200 or $300 in it right now while it's at this support line, okay? Then if it dips a little bit further, add on to it, right? You can ride it kind of down and incrementally add to your position. Personally, I am not selling anything because I don't need those funds right now. I bought in at the 059 level a long time ago, months and months ago. And I'm just staying pat. I'm willing to ride the wave. But if you're in need of this money and you want to take some profits right now, I understand it. Take maybe some off the top, right, and leave some in SHIB, right? If you want to take some off the top, always have a plan with what you're going to do when you take profits. Maybe you actually need it in real life. Maybe you want to diversify your portfolio. Maybe you just want to stick it into a DAI coin or another stable coin and wait for other assets to dip. But it has to come back to your individual situation. And again, you don't have to buy all of it at once. You don't have to sell all of it at once, okay? Again, it was up 300%. We're going to get some type of correction. Now, let me give you a couple other scenarios. Let's say your initial investment you put in was $1,000 and you're up $5,000, right? And you just want to secure that initial investment and play with house money. Well, go ahead and take that $1,000 out, right? Now you're clean. You're not going to lose money at all, right? And now everything that's in your account is in the green. It is profit. It is house money, right? So that's another strategy I like to use from time to time. So I know this is a multifaceted question. There is no right answer, just a blanket statement. Hey, buy this, sell this, right? That is not the approach I like to take. So that's why I'm giving you different scenarios, right? Now, here's another scenario. Let's say you bought just yesterday and you bought at the high point. I would not be selling right now because you're going to be selling at a loss. And I think eventually over time, the price is going to eclipse the all-time high. Right now, we have a lot of resistance there at the all-time high, but eventually I think we're going to break through that ceiling and set new all-time highs. So if you bought on the high side yesterday, don't panic. This is crypto. It's crypto 101. It's volatility at its finest. I know a lot of new people out there getting into crypto. Okay, this is how it is from a day-to-day basis. This is not the stock market. This is exactly what to expect when you get into crypto. Okay, so hopefully you got some value out of this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you know every single time I put out another video. And real quick, before we get out of here, let's check number of holders. I've yet to refresh this page from this morning, so I'm kind of curious to see. 714,000. Boom. Now we're at 719,000. So this is good. We're still adding positions in SHIB as we go throughout the day here. We're up about 2%. Now, again, a little bit of a correction right now, but it's healthy. It is healthy for the price. and we're seeing that right now where it's just kind of hitting this 2.2, 2.3 level. And I think eventually we're going to bounce back off here and consolidate. Okay. So I'm not nervous right now. I know a lot of people may be freaking out because they bought at the top. I would just be patient. It's a patient game when you get into crypto. All right. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.